F plus F plus F plus F minus F will be 3F.
Yeah.
X to the power of 6.
That would be if it was times.
It'll be 3x squared.
That's it. All right. We'll just do all of them.
I'll be 7EF. 4x plus. It will be a 2x plus 4y.
This is a plus y at the end.
2x plus 6y.
Yeah.
It will be 2 plus minus 3x.
That's right. That's
Oh,
minus.
2 minus 3.
Mm-hmm.
Be 7x plus 3y plus 3.
That's it.
That would just be 5f plus times 4g.
Plus won't simplify. Times will.
5f times 4g. Is that it?
5 times 4.
Oh,
20.
it would be 20fg.
Yeah. If it was plus, it wouldn't get any simpler. Times does. How about this one?
It would be 30 ABC.
And last one. Any idea how you do that?
Would be 6y.
These in the bracket, it's not 3y at the end, it's just 3. And so the bracket doesn't simplify. It would just have to be outside times first, outside times second, to 2 separately. You might not.
3y times minus.
You might not know it. Hang on. So.
Be
all right, go on.
would it be 3y? So 3y times minus 3 would be minus 9y.
Okay.
3y times 4y would be 12y.
Yeah.
So that would make mine. So that would make 3y. The answer.
Y times y?
Oh, 12y squared.
Yeah.
Oh, all right.
Doesn't get any simpler. So that was a mix of all the questions. And so you didn't already know. So that means I can skip all those ones. But I won't skip these. Okay, so what's this first one?
4x plus 8.
X plus 8. What's the very bottom one down there?
6 plus 3t.
How about this one?
be 12x plus 20.
20. That one's okay. I think that one will be okay. Why do I have this one? I think that one will be okay. How about top right?
2x squared.
X times x?
3x squared.
No. X times x?
X squared.
And then x times 2.
2x.
Yeah. And so, next one.
X squared minus 3x.
Very good. And how about this one?
X cubed plus 2x.
Well done. And about these?
2m squared plus 6m.
And this is the one that gave you so much trouble at the start. Try it now.
12y squared minus 9y.
Great. Okay, so I think we're okay for single brackets. This one is so weird. It is so weird. Is it worth doing? That's an exam question. We'll give it a go. Okay, how about this one?
2x, x, and x plus 4. Volume of the cuboid is 180 centimeters cubed. Show that x cubed plus 4x squared equals 90. All right. So volume is 180. What's the formula for the volume of a cuboid?
Length times width times height.
All right. So it would be, we'll have to figure that out first. So 2x times x would be 2x cubed.
X times x?
Oh, I mean 2x squared.
Yeah.
X times, 2x squared times x plus 4 would be 2x cubed plus 2x cubed plus 6x squared.
2 times 4?
Oh, 8x squared.
Yeah. So that's the volume in terms of x. What else is the volume?
180.
And they want it to look like that. What do you have to do?
So with half the 2 and the 8. So it'll be x squared plus, x cubed plus 4x squared equals 90.
Equals 90, which is what they wanted. Great. Any questions about that?
No.
All right. Okay, pairs of brackets. Let's try top one.
Okay.
Hold on. Is this a good order? Let's try this order. Yeah, let's try that one first.
5x plus 35 plus 3x minus 6. So it would be 2x. Oh no, 8x minus 30. I mean 29.
Plus 29.
Oh yeah, plus.
So let's skip this second one. You're pretty good there. How about this third one?
3m plus 12 minus 6. No, 8m minus 2.
Well done.
So it will be minus 5m plus 10.
That's it. And I think you're good. That's great. Do you already know how to expand double brackets?
I think so. You should do one.
Yeah, do the first one.
Y times y is y squared. Y times 5 is 5y. 2 times y is 2y. And 5 times 2 is 10. So it would be 7y plus y squared plus 10.
Y plus 10. Great. So you do already know them. That's great. So just classic. You need help with the easier one and you're good at the trickier one. These ones, that's all right. You just expand one. Oh, how would you expand? Let me just see. That's bad planning on my part. How would you expand x plus 5 squared?
You would make it into 2. So x plus 5. And then another x plus 5.
Yeah, and then you just expand it as normal. That's all right. So with these ones, you just expand the 2 of them and then just add your answers or subtract your answers depending. That's all right. It's grand. Okay, it's getting weird, but let's try this one.
All measurements are given in centimeters. Show the total area. Shaded regions is x. 18x minus 30. Okay, so
And if there wasn't x, if it was just numbers, how would you get the shaded region?
I would find the area of the triangle first.
Okay.
And then find the area of the rectangle, then take the triangle away from the rectangle.
That's it. So total minus unshaded equals shaded. And we're referring to area. Okay. Let's go for it.
All right. We'll do a what's the area of the triangle again? It's height times width divided by 2.
Yep.
Is that it? All right. So
well, that's not the total.
Would 3x minus 5 be in brackets?
Yep.
All right. So the 6x squared minus 10x.
Mm-hmm.
We would half them, so it'd be 3x squared minus 5x.
Squared minus 5x.
Alright, so when we find the area of the rectangle, which is just base times height,
Mm-hmm.
so it would be x plus 6 and 3x minus 5. X times 3x is 3x squared. X times 5 is 5x. 6 times
Hold on.
3x.
That's a minus 5.
Oh, it will be minus 5x. 6 times 3x would be not 18x.
Yeah.
And 6 times 5 is 30.
Plus or minus?
Minus 30.
That's it.
Alright, so we have 3x squared minus 3x squared is 0.
Mm-hmm.
5x minus 5x is 0.
They're both minus.
Oh, minus 5x minus 5x is minus 10x. So that would be 8x minus 30.
Yeah. 8x minus 30. They're saying we should have gotten 18x minus 30. One of these 5s must have been a plus 5, was it? Minus 5. Yes, sorry. This one here, minus times minus, so that would be plus 5x. So actually, it would just be 18.
Alright, sorry.
That's all right. I had to just scribble it a bit to fit it in. Okay, any questions about this one? So it boils down to total minus unshaded equals shaded. I mean, it's very tricky expanding brackets. You had to expand single, you had to expand double. You know, I did it because it's a bit of everything. So these will be kind of similar to that one. This is volume, so it's got 3 sides: base times height times depth. Oh, we did one like that actually. This stuff I'll look at the end. Okay, starter for factorizing. Let's try these.
So how would you factorize?
So for this, you have to say what was it originally.
Oh, alright. So how would you do that?
What do they have in common?
They both have want something in the 3 times table.
So 3 goes on the outside, and then you divide them both by 3.
Alright, y and 2.
Yep. And so that is 3y plus 2. So let's see. I will do these. Okay, so how about the next one here?
Alright, 5x plus 10. They're both multiples of 5. So it'll be 5 times x plus 10.
So you have x plus
Oh,
5.
it's x plus 2.
Yeah. So about this one.
Within 7 times table, so it'll be 7 y times 3,
Y plus 3.
y plus 3.
Okay. How about this one?
Both in the 5 times table again, so it would be 5. So are there multiple answers to these questions?
No.
Oh yeah. 5y minus 3.
Very good. How about this one?
Be 5x plus 4.
And the very last one for that section.
4e, I mean 4 3e plus 1.
Well done. Okay. Strange one. How about this?
4x plus 10y would be 2x plus 5y.
That's great. Let's skip to this one.
Be 3 2m minus 3.
That's great. Okay. How about top right?
X plus 7.
X plus 7. Good. 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 And then let's try bottom right.
3e squared plus 5e. Yeah. E 3e plus 5.
That's great. Okay, so we're good there. Okay, let's try these.
2x. It'll be 2x.
Can you factorize out a bigger number?
4x.
Yeah.
2x plus y.
Well done. So factorize completely. These are 2 markers now because you can factorize out 2 terms. And how about this one down here?
3x. I mean 3y. Oh, 3xy.
Yep.
Yeah, 3xy. xy minus 6.
You factorize out the x.
Y minus 6. Y.
Yeah,
Oh,
just y, because you already factorize out the x. And if you're ever unsure, you can do it. You can do it one at a time. So you can go 3xy squared minus 2xy, and then you can do xy, or you can do then 3x and then 3xy. Just do it that way. Whatever's easiest. This one, these are kind of weird. I'll leave these. This, okay. So this is you expand double brackets. This is what you get. Question A. Where did the 7 come from in the 7x?
Were they all linked? Or
Yeah. So this is the same question.
it will be 3x plus 4x.
Yeah, so the 3 plus 4. And where did the 12 come from?
3 times 4.
Yes. So if you were given this, so we've been factorizing, if you were given x squared plus 7x plus 12, so you have three terms, nothing in common, that means it will be double brackets, and you need two numbers that multiply to make 12 and add to make 7. And you could try like 1 and 12, nope. 2 and 6, nope. 3 and 4, yeah. And so it would be what times what makes x squared? X and x. And then the numbers would be plus 3 and plus 4. So let's try it. Okay, so how would you do this top one?
It would be x plus 4, one of them, and 5 plus 1.
X plus 1.
X plus 1.
Yeah, so 4 plus 1 makes 5. And that's, so you have the 5. Okay, how about this one?
Be e minus 4
Right.
and e plus 3
And what is minus 4 plus 3?
is 1, maybe minus 1.
Minus 1. We needed plus 1. And so
All right, so minus 15.
It would be other way around. It would be minus 3 plus 4.
Oh, all right.
4 minus 3 is plus 1. Next one.
Okay, x plus 5 and x minus 2.
Hold on. Okay, let's skip that one. Let's try this one. 2 minuses.
Right. Minus 7 and 2.
And so minus 7 and plus 2. And have a very last one down the bottom.
Be y minus 2 and y minus 2 and y minus 1 or y plus 1.
They definitely don't multiply to make 16.
Thought you meant the one about
this one down here, sorry.
Or y minus 8 and y minus 2.
Very good. Why are you so good at this and not half as good at expanding single brackets? That's insane. Before we do this thing, or do we? Yeah, I'm gonna do this thing. What year are you in again?
10.
What's your target grade?
Think like 7 or 8 or something.
So we're gonna do this stuff. Hang on, this might be good to do at this point. Yeah. I think I made a new version of this. It's been all over the place. Okay, how do we do top left?
I'm not sure.
Fully factorize the top, fully factorize the bottom.
Oh, all right. B minus 3 and minus 5 and plus 3. So x minus 5 and x plus 3.
Mm-hmm.
Over x minus 7 and x plus 3.
Any idea how you simplify that?
Well, there's 2 x plus 3s.
Yep.
I don't really know where they would go.
What is x plus 3 divided by x plus 3?
1.
And so that's the same as times 1 over times 1. So what do you get?
X minus 5 over x minus 7.
Well done. That's it. And that they have a minus or plus between them, so they can't simplify, but these both have times, and so it's a mix of times and divide. 3 marks. Okay, now we get weird. I'm just going to give you the short version because you're surprisingly good at these. There's a long and fancy way of doing this. There's a much easier way. Let's take a double bracket. Say you had x plus 3 over x minus 5. You could multiply that by 2 over 2 if you really wanted. On the bottom you would get a 2. On the top you would get either 2x plus 6. Because this is already times in between them, only one of them would change. Or you would get x plus 3 and 2x minus 10 over 2. And you can do that forwards. You can also do it backwards. So you could say doing that brings it back to the original, or doing that brings it back to the original. And so you can do it forwards and backwards. Why do we do that? It's because it makes it simpler to do a question like this. So what's difficult about a question like this is it's going to be 2 brackets. One will be 2y and the other will be y. And that makes it difficult because because it's not the same thing twice, like x and x. And so what you can do is make it the same thing twice. And you can just say the whole thing is over 2. And then you can just simplify it later on. What you've been doing up until now is 2 numbers that multiply to make C and add to make B. We could do something similar, expand in 2 brackets. Let's do it. Let me think about this. Yeah, okay, so let's expand these 2 brackets here. 2x plus 6 and x minus 5.
Be 2x times x would be 2x squared.
Yeah.
2x times 5 would be 10x. 6 times x would be 6x. And 6 times minus 5 would be minus 30.
And simplify.
2x squared minus 4x minus 30.
Where did the minus 30 come from?
6 times minus 5.
And where did the minus 4x come from?
10x minus 6x. Minus 10x plus 6x.
Yes. And so minus 10x plus 6x. So this time it isn't a times c. It isn't 2 numbers that make c and add to make b. It is 2 numbers that multiply to make a times c. So you have to do, take a look, 2 numbers. Did I go past it? 2 numbers that multiply to make 2 times minus 3 and add to make minus 5. And 2 times minus 3 is just minus 6. So what 2 numbers will work for that?
Two and minus 3.
2 and minus 3. No, that will make minus 1.
Oh. Minus 4 and plus 1.
They have to multiply to make 6.
Minus 4 and minus 2. Minus 4 and plus 2.
They multiply to make 8.
Oh. Minus 6 and minus 1.
That would make minus 7.
Minus 6 and plus 1.
Yep. And so it's minus 6 plus 1. And now you just have to simplify.
Right. B. Would you divide them all by 2?
Just one of the brackets gets divided by 2. So which bracket?
Would be y minus 3.
Yeah. And so that's the easy way of going about these. Y minus 3, 2y plus 1. Okay, so let's try this one. So how do you start off?
Right. 2 times minus 15. Yes. Minus 30. Then and what times is to make 13 adds together what times to make minus 13, what adds to make 7?
Uh-huh.
I mean, what adds to make -7?
And you can always just figure out the minuses as you go.
Alright, so it would be -10 plus 3. So it'll be over 2 in brackets 2x minus 10 and 2x plus 3 and then it'll be x minus 5
Mm-hmm.
would be x times 2x would be 2x squared.
No.
Oh.
2x plus 3. You don't have
Oh.
to. You'd go back to having 2x squared minus 7x minus 15. Well done. Let's see. I think you did very well. I think you're good. I just want to see. X minus 5, 2x plus 3.
What time is it?
Sorry?
What time is it?
Quarter. Is that right?
Yeah, I don't have a phone at the moment.
Okay. Okay, let's try this one. Bottom left.
All right. Factorize x squared minus 9 should be or can you not factorize x squared minus 9?
We kind of skipped that. I forgot to go back to it. It's because my lesson isn't in a good order. This is what I skipped. What if I wrote that first one as x squared plus 0x minus 16? So we need two numbers that multiply to make minus 16 and add to make 0.
Minus 16 and 0.
They would multiply to make 0 and add to make minus 16. We want the other way around.
Oh. Multiply to make minus 16. Yeah. Minus 4 and 4.
Well done. And so what is that in brackets?
X minus 4. X plus 4. So these would always be square numbers.
Correct. So what would be the rest of them?
Yeah. 4. I mean, y plus 4 and y minus 4.
Yeah.
X plus 7 and x minus 7.
Yeah, you got the idea. See, they are easier. Okay, so how about this one?
All right, so it'll be x plus 9 and x minus 9.
Yeah. No, not 9.
Oh yeah, it'll be x plus 3 and x minus 3.
Yeah. And now we need me the tricky one. And actually, maybe it's not easier. What if this simplifies? What do you know about the bottom? Anything you can know about what goes in the bottom?
-3.
Either -3 or +3. So let's try. Let's try this one. So what would the other bracket be? Have to be then?
Not sure.
Well, x times what makes 2x squared?
2x.
And we need to get -3. So it'd go here.
+3.
-3 times what makes -3?
Oh, 1.
Yes. And let's check. 1 times x. That will make -5x in the middle if you expand it. So what do we need to change?
We need to change -3
Into?
+3.
Yeah. And the 2x plus 1?
Be 5x. Oh no, it'll be
This would have to become minus.
all right.
And you could always go through the long process. And so, what's next? Simplify. What do you notice about top and bottom? How did you simplify this one up the top?
We factorize the top and the bottom.
Yeah. And then what did you do after that?
Yeah. Took away the things that were the same.
Okay. Can you do that with this one?
Oh yeah. X plus 3 and X plus 3.
Yeah.
They both go, so it'll be just X minus 3 over 2X minus 1.
Well done. X minus 3 over 2x minus 1. Great. Let's see. That's simpler, I think. It's all right. There's one last thing I want to get to. Okay, you earlier did this question. No, you didn't. This one, x squared minus 12x plus 27. What does that factorize to?
Uh, 3 and 9.
Yeah. And so what are the brackets?
Be X minus 9 and X minus 3.
Well done. Part 2. How do you do this?
I'm not sure.
This is for the same as part 1. So
Oh, you factor it.
Yeah. So another way to write it is in factorized form. Would you know how to solve that?
No.
So there is a trick. Give me two numbers that will multiply to make 0.
Uh, 0 and 1.
Another 2.
0 and 2.
And another 2.
0 and 3.
Is it possible to multiply two numbers together and get 0 where one of the two numbers is not 0?
I'm not sure. I think so.
It isn't.
Oh.
And so what that tells you is if you saw something times something equals 0, you would know, let's say that's x, that's y. You would know that either the first one is 0 or the second one is 0, or both of them. And so how can you apply that for this?
All right. So first one is 0 or the second one is 0.
Correct. And so solve those two equations.
What does it say in the middle?
Or.
Oh. So x minus 9 equals 0, so x will be 9.
Yep.
Or x will be 3.
Equals 3. Well done. Okay, so top right.
Okay. So you factorize first, so it would be x plus 5 minus x plus 3.
Mm-hmm.
So it would be so x would either be minus 5 or 3.
Well done. I think you got the idea for those. And then this is exam question. Yeah, okay, how about this one?
So as you factorize it first,
Yep.
so it'll be 90 and minus 1.
They need to add up to make minus 1.
Oh. Minus 90 and 1.
That'll make 89.
2 and minus 45. 3 and 30.
So two numbers that multiply to make 90 and a difference of 1 between them.
It'd be 3 and 30.
They have a difference of 27.
Oh. 2 and 45.
Those have a difference of 43. So you could keep going. 5 and 18. 6 and 6 and something. 6 and 15. Any others?
We're not allowed to use calculator, are we?
No.
9 and 10. That's the difference of 1 between it.
Yeah.
So it'll be n minus 9 and n plus 10.
What is minus 9 plus 10?
Oh, it's 1. So it'll be n plus 9, n minus 10.
Yeah.
So it would either be minus 9 or plus 10.
Huh. But it doesn't say. It says how many sweets are in the bag.
Oh. So it would be 10.
Yes. You'd have to reject the negative one for this one. Well done. And so that's 10 sweets. And that's 10. It's a 3 marker. Well done. How was that for you, Jad?
Oh, it was good. It was quite challenging.
Yeah, that's what you need. You're able for this stuff. So any topic in particular you want to do next time, or should I pick? Or you can tell me later.
Maybe like, adding, subtracting, multiplying, dividing fractions. I'm not really good at that.
Okay, yeah, fractions, arithmetic. Okay, any questions in general?
No, thank you.
All right, well done, Jad. You did great. I look forward to chatting again next week.
Goodbye.
Have a good week. Goodbye.